Welcome to another Deriv tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the Traders Hub dashboard. Let's dive into the features of the Traders Hub. The Traders Hub is the initial page that you will see upon signing up for a Deriv account. Upon sign up, you will automatically be assigned a demo account with a trading balance of 10,000 USD in virtual funds. To create a real account, click on the drop-down bar, select Real, and follow the account opening process. Once you have created your real account, you can also use this drop-down bar to switch between demo and real accounts. On the top right-hand side of the Traders Hub, you can see the total assets, representing the total amount of funds available in your Deriv account for all account types. Here, you can choose between CFD or multipliers trading accounts. Deriv Trader here, for example. In this section, Deriv Trader is the platform for multipliers trading. From here, you can access Deriv Trader by clicking on Open. In the CFD section, you will find the CFD trading account, also known as MetaTrader 5. To check out more information on what is offered on the MT5 account, click on Account Information. Click the Add button to create a CFD Deriv MT5 account. You can also refer to our specifications page on our website to see the list of assets available under each account type. For example, check out what assets are offered on the CFD account. Once you have a CFD account, click on Deposit or Transfer to add funds to an account. Click Open to view the account login details, change account password, or start trading with your account. In case you forgot your CFD account password, you can click on Forgot Password, then click on Change Password, and you will receive a password reset email. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the Quick Settings bar for several useful shortcuts. The WhatsApp icon redirects you to Deriv's WhatsApp live chat support. The speech bubble icon redirects you to Deriv's website's live chat support. The Deriv logo icon redirects you to Deriv's main website page. The responsible trading icon redirects you to the Secure and Responsible Trading Deriv page with information based on how to secure your Deriv account. The account limits icon redirects you to your account trading and maximum daily turnover limit settings. The Book icon button will show you the regulatory information of your account. Click on the Theme icon to switch between light and dark mode. The Help Center redirects you to our Help Center page to find FAQ. The Language menu allows you to switch to your preferred language. The Full Screen allows you to switch from the screen showing your bookworms and search engine bar to only full screen. The Cashier tab is where you can make a deposit request, make a withdrawal request, transfer money between accounts. The Reports tab is where you can filter and view all transaction history, trade history, and current open positions from multipliers. The Open Positions tab will only show you your current open positions. The Trade table will show you your account history and display the details such as the date and time that the positions were opened and closed, profit/loss, buy price and sell price, and trade ID. If you click on the Trade ID, you will be able to see all the details as well as an image displaying your trade performance in a graph form. The Statement tab is where you can see the history of your closed positions, completed deposit or withdrawal transactions, transaction time, credit/debit, and the available account balance after the transaction is made, shown in gray. Apart from this video, you can request a Traders Hub tour through the video arrow icon above. Check out more videos and discover how you can make the most out of your trading journey at Deriv. For more information on Deriv's products and services, head to www.eu.deriv.com. Thank you for watching.